You may know that over half of the technology firms in Silicon Valley were founded by foreign-born persons. TiE has done a wonderful job in the last 20 years in nurturing and supporting entrepreneurs in the innovation economy. However, these immigrant entrepreneurs are not just restricted to the technology sector. In fact, 36% of hotel owners and 38% of restaurant owners in North America are reported to be immigrants. Companies like 7-Eleven or Circle K specifically seek out Indians to start new stores. Immigrants have also made considerable inroads in the education, real estate and construction sectors. A recent Kauffman Foundation study has found that rate of entrepreneurial activity among immigrants has increased by 21% in 2010 alone. Immigrants have 18 times higher propensity to start their business. Now is the time to expand our mission to support these entrepreneurs in other areas as well. In past, it took on an average 13 years for an immigrant to start his first business venture. Today, new immigrants are looking to start or acquire a business right away. To their advantage, North America is undergoing a demographic tsunami as the first baby boomers are reaching age 65. In India, businesses are like farms, passed down from a generation to generation. It is common to see doctor's son becoming a doctor, actor's daughter taking up acting, and politician's son entering politics. The North American education system values independent thinking process. This often means that children aim for a different profession than their parents. Many business owners state that their children do not want to take their own business. A recent study by a major North American bank states that over 1/3 of small business owners, mainly baby boomers, are planning to sell within the next 5 years. There are some 9 million small businesses in North America. That's nearly 3 million businesses on sale. Immigrants are ideally suited to take advantage of this. Many are highly qualified as doctors, engineers, lawyers, and MBAs. Their household income is almost double that of average population. They're generally less leveraged, therefore have a better ability to survive in the recession. Buying a business is also becoming much easier, as the current owners are often willing to make an orderly exit over time. Bankers are becoming hungrier to provide credit, and interest rate is still very low. Some banks, such as the Business Development Bank of Canada, have a special program for lending to new immigrants who want to be entrepreneurs. In recognition of this opportunity for immigrants, TiE has started a series of educational workshops in Toronto focused on helping immigrant entrepreneurs to buy, operate, finance, grow, and exit their businesses. This is an opportunity for TiE to expand our offerings beyond the innovation sectors to all areas. Thank you.